welcome to another great video. My name is Alex and we of course are on the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track, and today we are going to be comparing the Durango 1000 horsepower package versus a stock Durango. No launch control on either vehicle, just going to be brake boosted at the same RPM from both drivers, and we're going to see the gap and the real world difference of 1000 horsepower versus the stock Durango. So very curious to see how big the difference is and to see how crazy this 3-row SUV really is, because there's a lot of space back there. All right, Paul Wong, you're going down, baby. No, 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 no. That's what I'm talking about, baby!
That thing launched and was gone. Why modify a Durango? Well, why not? It's the surprise factor, the stealth. Out there cruising with your buddies and you roll up next to a Mustang or a CA Corvette, you know, guess what? Really put a big smile on your face when you dust them.
Let's do one more.
I mean, you're adding about 1,000 pounds. All right, I'm ready.
All right, I'll go ahead and get the signal.
All right, here we go. Well, there you have it.
Why would you drive a stock one when you can drive this?